Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting exact parts and securing a clean workspace. Wind the primary coil tightly around the ferrite rod. Count turns and keep spacing consistent so tuning behaves predictably. Once done, scrape the enamel off each end and tin the wires to make solid joints. Solder the diode and the variable capacitor to the coil while keeping leads short to reduce stray capacitance. Make sure to mount the battery clip and temporary antenna feed so you can test connections immediately. Next, you wire the LC tank to the diode detector and explain why. The tank selects frequency, the diode rectifies the signal. Once done, place a small bypass capacitor across the detector to stabilize audio and reduce static. Then couple the detector to a single transistor amplifier or a high-impedance earphone. This boosts weak signals and preserves selectivity. While assembling, check for unwanted shorts and minimize loop areas. Make sure to keep the variable capacitor grounded to chassis for stable tuning. To finish, install the radio into an enclosure and secure controls so tuning doesn't drift. Once done, connect a temporary long wire antenna and a reliable ground. Antenna placement often makes the biggest difference. Power up, sweep the dial slowly and note station peaks. Tweak coil taps or add a small trimmer capacitor if needed. If you hear nothing or distortion, first verify coil continuity and correct diode orientation. Then ensure ground connection is solid and reduce stray capacitance by shorting unused leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.